i-mention ko lang din na parang first time ko magkaroon ng girl-to-girl scene with her as well. Yeah.
Oo. So first time mo?
Yes, hindi ko pa po siya nagawa before. So, mas
like in
challenging.
real life, wala.
Wala.
Yeah. So, paano nang malaman mo na, yun nga, may katombo yan, may something kayong dalawang gagawin? Ano naging reaction mo? It's your first time.
Yes, actually, hindi ako open before to do mga GL movies. But then, sabi ko sa sarili ko, why not to try? Kasi ibang genre naman siya for me. So, iba naman yung makakasama ko. And for me, I would say na parang mas naging easy ako to work with a girl pagdating sa sexy scenes than a guy. So, yeah, I found it na mas easy to work naman pala with the girls. So, yeah.